Hi, my name is Jennifer Hayden. I'm one of the 3 senior lifeguards here at the Okotoks Aquatic Centre. And this is our tree that the team built. Very simple process actually. PVC pipe that was in our basement. The base is made out of spare steel parts that our maintenance guy put together. We started off by putting holes into the PVC piping, some good gauge wire, and then you start threading it through. So we have it kind of in half and just have them straight down. And then you take your noodle, and we just used a bread knife, kind of eyeball how long you want it to be. Cut it on a pretty good angle so that this part here goes up against the PVC piping.
Yeah.
And then you just gently put this on. Adhesive spray. So you spray the spray on here.
Okay.
Wait about 30 seconds and it gets tacky. And then you can stick it onto the PVC piping. If there was another noodle coming over here, same thing, spray.
Okay.
Wait for a bit. And then there. And then you basically just form the noodle, however bent up you want it to be. And then you continue down.